Good luck. Thanks a lot, buddy. Might be better at this now because of the trials I faced in Galaxy 2. Oh, no, you don't. Doing good so far, it's TCJ. Come on. And things like that always happen to me. Suck. Man, I hate this. When I first got this game, I thought I would never pass this. Guess what? I passed it though. Whoa! No, fail. This is not funny.